Welcome to this wonderful tutorial where I'm going to take you through find the value of A and what could be the value. Please, before you watch this video, first catch it and then drop the answer in section. Let's have the response. So from origin, the square root of A is the same as having A raised to power a half divided by A power 1, giving us 1. The rules of logarithm says if the bases are the same, you can see that the bases are the same. We have A and A the base. So if the bases are the same and we are dividing the bases which are the same, what we do, we subtract the powers, implying that we are going to have our A, which is raised to power a half, minus 1, which is equal to 1. So this is the same as having our A as the base. So we are going to have the LCM as 2. Then 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. Then multiply by 1 at 2. This equals to 1. So we can proceed from here. We see that this is the same as having A as the base raised to power negative a half equals to 1. So from here, since the power is negative, we are going to have the base dropping such that we have 1 divided by A raised to power a half equals to 1. Then this is the same as having 1 divided by A under a square root equaling to 1. For us to remove the square root, we are going to square both sides of the equation, so that we are going to have the 1 divided by A under the square root, which is equal to 1. So we square both sides and also square this side, such that we are going to have 1 divided by A equals to 1. So this is the same as having 1 divided by A, which is equal to 1 divided by 1. What we are going to do is cross multiplication, that with that, this one with another one here, such that we have our A being equal to 1 multiplied by 1, implying that the value of A equals to 1. Therefore, A equals to 1. And thanks for watching.